Hello, beautiful jewels and gems and my mommies out there. My name is Chauntel, and I'm so excited today to talk about starting a mom YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the 4 top things that you are probably wondering about if you have considered starting a mom channel. And whether you've started already or you're getting ready to start, you're going to want to know about the money. You're going to want to know about equipment. You're going to want to know about the topics that you might choose to talk about and the techie stuff. So we're going to talk all about all of those things. So let's get into it. So I'm Chauntel from AskChauntel.com, and I'm a Christian life and relationship coach, and I'm also a mom influencer. And I'm here to help other mom influencers build healthy lives, relationships, and families, and a meaningful business and brand, because I really want to help you to do more of what you love. So first things first, will it cost you money to start a YouTube channel, and how much money can you expect to make when you first get started? So I know everybody wants to know about the money, okay? But the stuff you need to know, don't miss out on the techie stuff, because we're gonna get more into that at the end. But we'll start with the money, because I know that that's like on the mind, because when we're moms and working from home, or even if we're working moms, if we're gonna be putting our time into it, we wanna know, is it worth the investment of the time that we're gonna spend or the money that we're gonna spend on the equipment and things like that. So I can tell you that when you start off, you don't need to spend money on equipment. You can use your phone. I'm filming on my phone right here and now. I do have some ring lights up right now, and that is helpful. But when I first started my YouTube channel, I did not have any special lighting. I literally used a desk lamp from my college dorm. So you can also use natural light. I'm sure that you've heard people use that. And I'm actually using some natural light with my ring lights right now. And I'll do like another video where I kind of show you guys my setup and how everything is looking. It's a little funky still over here. But we just moved, and I'm working with what I have. And I think that that's the best thing that you can do, is don't spend a whole lot of money on equipment. Just use what you have. Use your phone. Now, what you might have to invest in is a computer. If you don't have a computer, some people do edit on their phones and they make that work. For me, that just seems like a lot of work, and it's a lot easier if you have a computer to edit on, and that might be the main thing that you might have to invest in. But if you have a computer, you have a phone, and you've got any access to light, which you do, even if it's natural light, then just use that, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Will you make money? It is very possible that you will make money, and it's probably not going to be at the very beginning of your YouTube career that you're going to be making money. But if you set your channel up in a way where you build a brand, and behind that brand you will build money for yourself in the future. Whether you already have a business, you're a mom entrepreneur already, and you want to promote products that you're gonna be selling to the audience that you have, or if you want to set up different types of revenue like affiliate marketing and things like that, which we'll talk more about later. But if you build a strong brand and you build a following that's in a specific niche, money will come to you in your channel, and you'll have opportunities to collaborate with brands and sponsorships and things like that. So that's just kind of a quick overview of money. Equipment. We talked a little bit about equipment, but if you were to invest in some equipment, I would recommend, if you have the funds, let's say you have about $100, maybe $150 to spend, you can get you a ring light, you can get you a tripod, you can get you some umbrella lights, if nothing else, with a little fob like this. You can do that anywhere between $40 to $120, and you've got everything that you need. You can even get a nice microphone, which I couldn't find mine, so I'm literally just using the mic on my phone right now, and you can tell the difference when I have my mic plugged in. But it works, I don't even have to have it, but I do recommend a microphone if you can, because the audio is so important. And if you're gonna invest in anything, you're gonna invest in lighting, and you're gonna invest in audio. I didn't have a tripod for like the first 2 years that I did YouTube. I just literally used a shelf, I put my little digital camera up there, press record, and that was it. But these are nice things to have, and you can reasonably get all of those things for like $150 to $160, and I'll be giving you guys some affordable tips, because as moms we really have to think about, you know, our family first, and we always put them first, and that's what we do, and that's what we're supposed to do. But we have to take care of ourselves too. So I have some options for you that are affordable at any, you know, budget. And if you have more money and you want to invest a little bit more into your craft and what you want to do, there's some reasonable options for you as well that are not too ridiculous, but that once you just go ahead and get what you need, you'll have it and you can produce the best quality content from the beginning. So I'll give you guys more information on that. I have that in my linkables in the description box below. The next thing I want to talk to you about is topics. The topics that you choose are the most important thing, because it will attract the audience that you are looking for. And this is something that I've done so wrong over the course of my 12th year, oh my gosh. My 12 years on YouTube. I did lots and lots of experimenting, a lot of finding myself. I started on YouTube when I was like 20 years old, and now I've been on here for like 12 years, and I didn't know I didn't know who I was. I didn't know the topics that I was producing. I didn't know who I was producing for. So if you can figure out first who your target market is, then the topics that you choose will fall in line with that, and that will also help you with building a brand. And that is the most valuable thing that you do, because your brand is going to give you a point of view, and your brand is what other brands or sponsors or affiliates or even customers are going to connect with. So if you think about big brands like Starbucks or Nordstrom or Nike, these are some of the big ones that I love, or McDonald's, we all have an association. We have mental real estate attached to those brands and what they provide and what they don't provide and who they are. And that is the thing that other people are willing to pay for, and that is the thing that other people, when I'm talking about other businesses, other brands are willing to pay for, and other people, when I'm talking about your people, the people that your tribe that's going to connect to you and what you do and support what you do, that's what they're going to pay for. They're going to pay for your point of view, your brand, your perspective, what you do, who you are, your values, morals, and beliefs. So that's just kind of like in a nutshell what it is. We're going to do more on that later, but I just kind of want you to get the juices flowing, get you thinking about it. I actually have a brand identity chart, so if you have yet to identify what your brand is, who your brand is, personal brand, then definitely connect to that. To kind of give you an idea, little things that I got going on here representing my brand, I'm very flowery and feminine, and I love nature and all those things. I'm all about being a natural mom and all those kind of things. So there's different niches within the mom community, like natural motherhood, whoop whoop, in the building, crunchy. I'm not fully crunchy, but you know, the crunchy mamas out there. There's you fit mamas. There's fit mamas out there. There's the oil moms. There's the comedian moms, you know, give us entertainment. There's some of you that are interested in health and nursing and fitness, in general, fashion moms that just have an interest in the medical field and gardening and DIYs and organizing. We all have different, you know, gifts and talents, but there's a few ideas for you. And I'd love to know, let's take a quick tea break so we can talk about what it is that you do. I want to hear it from you. I forgot to mention faith. If so, faith-based mom, I'm that too. And so if you're one of those moms, put that down there too. I want to know, our tea break today is, what is it that you are interested in? What's your niche, or what's your area that you're at least thinking about? Maybe you don't know what it is yet, but are you a gardening mom? Are you a crunchy mom? Are you a natural mom? Are you a fit mom? What is it that you're into? I want to hear about it in the comment section below. And the last part of this that I kind of wanted to get into is talking about the techie stuff. So when you start a mom YouTube channel, you're going to create a channel banner. You're gonna choose your profile picture. You're gonna write your about section. You're gonna have playlists. You should create a channel trailer. This is all YouTube jargon, so you gotta get to know the YouTube platform, but these are all different areas of your brand that is so important for you to keep track of, and that you create wonderful content for your people. And the only way that you can do that is if you let them know who you are, so that they will connect to you. And then once they connect to you, then you can start producing the content that they need and that they want, because they will start to communicate with you what that is. And the more that you're able to connect to the community that you begin to build, the more successful that you're going to be on this platform. And we're going to talk more about being successful on YouTube actually coming up pretty soon here in my next video. My next business related video is going to be how to create a YouTube channel for business. So if you're business minded, then that's important. But before you even consider doing a business, make sure that you know that this is what you really want. Make sure that you enjoy being on camera. Make sure that you enjoy working to build an audience. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of fun. It is so rewarding and fulfilling, but it does take time, and sometimes it can be a lot, but it really is amazing when you really start to connect to people and start to understand that those numbers mean there's somebody on the other side of that screen. And that's what's really kept me going these 12 years. Like, I've been kind of just doing it on the side and, you know, just doing it like a hobby, and now I've decided to take it a little bit more seriously. And if that's you, then welcome and learn from me. You don't have to make all the mistakes that I did. I have a free YouTube training course. It's the top 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make. If you would love to become a part of that free training, the link is in the description box below. You can learn, and when you do take that course, you'll also get the brand identity chart as well. And so you can start building that brand. You can start to identify what you really need to do to stand out on the platform. And you know, I've got about 5,000 subscribers. I'm a micro influencer at this point, and I've got a big dreams and you know, long ways to go. Where I am right now from where I was before, I've come a long way, and I just want to help bring other people with me. So if you're interested in that free YouTube training course, you can go take it right now. Link in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you over on the blog at chauntel.com. In the meantime, in between time, have a wonderful rest of your day, night, evening, morning, whatever it is. Go create meaning, and I love you. Hugs and kisses. See you next time.